Now that we installed the CoalaGym, let's go ahead and try it out. Connect to the Facebook API. To do this, we're going to use the Rails console. So go ahead and on your terminal, type Rails console. First, let's store a user in a variable. So let's call it u equals user.last. It's going to fetch our last user. And as you can see, we have the OAuth token attribute with a OAuth expires at and everything. So let's go ahead and use the method we just created, the Facebook method. So u.facebook, and we're going to get a new object called me. And he fetches with the Facebook API from the OAuth token my name. This is my first name, my last name, my Facebook address, my username, the hometown, stuff like my time zone, my email, and some quotes. And let's go ahead and be more specific. So again, u.facebook.getConnection, and it's like me, and I want to know which television series I like. So there we go. Here we go. 60 Minutes. Stargate Atlantis, great show. Big Bang Theory. Let's try some books. Here we go. And let's finish off this lecture video by try and post to my wall on my behalf. So to do this, we'll just use u.facebook.put wall post. And let's type, we're testing. Oops, client error. The user hasn't authorized this application to perform this action. What this means is going back to our text editor and going to our device initializer on our config directory. If we go to our OmniAuth configuration code, we can see we had a scope line. Basically, this tells us what permissions we wanted to ask when a Facebook user signed up. And since we didn't pass any scopes, we didn't ask any special permissions, so we don't have a permission to post on my behalf. You can check out which permissions you have by typing u.facebook.getConnection and me and permissions. The only permissions I have is public profile, my email, my user friends, and my basic info. So we need to add the additional permissions, such as email and publish actions. So we're going to do this right away. So going back to our text editor, just add scope, and we'll say I want to email, and also I want to publish content. Since this user does not have this permissions yet, we're going to have to delete the user first and sign up again. So let's do this. Save, and we're already in Rails console. So user.last.destroy. Go ahead and open your Rails server. And go into your browser and localhost 3000. Let's go ahead and try and log in with Facebook again. And now he's going to ask if you would like to post on Facebook for you, and I would say yes. Cool. And now we're going to try and write something. So closing this server and typing Rails console. Let's repeat that post to wall method. So u.facebook.put wall post. Testing. And let's see if it works. Oops. Forgot to assign you to a user. So u equals user.last. And now let's try again. Yep. My post was posted. So let's check it out on my Facebook. And go. It's on my timeline. Great. On the next lecture, I'm going to show you how to incorporate this in your app so everything is automated.